Let me just walk you through a little bit about how to sign up for your free trial of builderall and get involved in the 1 Million Entrepreneur Challenge. This is an awesome challenge that builderall is offering to you to get you to $1,000 a month right off the bat. All you have to do is follow their program. But if their program's not the right fit for you, you still get a 7-day free trial and you can use all the materials that I provide you to get off to a quick start. As soon as you sign up, you will get an email from me that will give you access to the web page where all of those freebies are going to be available. So it's really that simple, but let me show you how to sign up. So once you click over, you're going to see this little continue button right here. All you have to do is click that. And it tells you to welcome to the challenge, and you can go ahead and sign up here. You need your name, your email address, and your password, and your WhatsApp number if you have one. I don't. You can put one in there if you do, and let me in. And that's it. That's all there is to it. 7 days free to explore the tools and see what they have going on. This is an amazing program and an amazing offer. I highly recommend that you take advantage of it. I mean, it's free. And of course, you always have access to me. I'm really easy to get a hold of. You can send me an email. You can contact me. I have a live broadcast every single day between 10 and 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. You can always pop in there and ask me a question if you have it. You're going to be able to get a hold of me easily, and I'm here to mentor you. I want to see you be successful. So let's get this done. I'll see you on the inside.